What's up, guys? We got a April 2017 edition of Motown Mail with Mini Mo. Maddie Mo's over there getting fed, feeding off of Princess Nini. Princess Nini enjoying every minute of it. So this is my. Hang on, buddy. Here, you want this love magnet? Perfect. I'll show that magnet off. So this is my certified pickups from April. And I had some COM-C pickups that I neglected to show last video. So knock those out as well. And I'll hold Mini Mo until he can't be held any longer. So first off, Mini Mo would like to show off the COM-C pickups. Mini Mo is 20 months old now. Mini Mo. Look at that head. Good job. Yeah, show this off. First off, I love this card. Absolutely love it. From 2007, 08, OPC. It's the Dominator, Dominic Hasek, OPC Premier, numbered to just 10, showing you the back of it, upside down. Here, let's see. So that's a really nice looking card, on-card auto. Hang on, sweetie. Okay, show it here, here. So that's numbered to 10. I think it was 10 of 10. Right? Isn't it 10 of 10? Am I losing my mind? I guess we're never going to find out. I think it was numbered to 10 though. This guy was pretty good as well. That's from Ultimate Collection, numbered to 33. Patrick Waugh. So 2 of the 3 greatest goaltenders of all time. Can we show them off or no? I'll come back to that one. Current Blackhawks goaltender Corey Crawford. First autograph of him. Okay, so we got that one. Can I have the Patrick Waugh back now? That's this one. That's this one. Can I see this one? This one's numbered 8 of 33. Beautiful card. Love how the Patrick Waugh and the Dominic Hasek look together. As Mini Mo's showing. Oh, we're starting off this video. This is not in any order. Starting this video off with 4 straight hockey cards. This one is a 1 of 1 from In the Game. Patch you never wore. On-card auto. Martin St. Louis. Next, didn't have a certified autograph yet of Penny Hardaway. This is from Lux. number to 49. Oop. It's that Lux like metal card, signed in whitish silver. Beautiful looking card right there. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Can you show it off? He just puts it on the table. That's fantastic. Actually, I'm going to switch arms because Mini Mo's up to like 32, 33 pounds, and my arm's giving out. Next, new Hall of Famer. I can't believe he was the first ballot of Hall of Famer, but a autograph from Limited, numbered to 99 of T-Mac, Tracy McGrady. Next, surprisingly, I didn't have a single autograph yet of Marshall Faulk, so I got this nice Skybox Autographics. Goldschmidt pickup from COM-C. 1, 2, 3, 4 color patch he never wore, numbered to 199. Museum collection. Boy, I am losing track of what I've showed off now. That's good. Next, this is like I think it's called the kanji version, numbered 11 to 25, so birthday 101. It's got a piece of bat he never used from Supreme, Ryan Sandberg. I'll be completely honest with you, I didn't even realize I had a bat piece in it until just now. So, that's how oblivious I am. There's that one. That's the Kurt Warner that I picked up at the card show. So, Kurt Warner, Pigpens, numbered to 200. I don't know what I've showed off so far. Yep, I didn't show that off yet. There's that one. There's this Paul Goldschmidt, numbered 20 of 25 from 2012, Tier 1, Silver Auto. Really nice looking card. I don't know what I've shown. This table's a mess now. This nice retired numbers on-card auto of Stan Mikita from 11-12 Limited. He has dementia and can no longer sign. Doesn't even know who he is. And another Stan Mikita from Limited 12-13 on-card auto Stanley Cup winners, numbered /99. There's that one. There's that one. There's that one. Yeah, the Dominic Hasek I showed at the beginning of the video is number 10/10. Right here. Wow, Mini Mo. This is quite a video. And Princess Nini's in the audience, seeing the commotion. Okay, okay. You want your love magnet back? Okay. I've possibly started a new PC. Not Blake Rutherford, but that's what that is. USA Auto. Got this AJ Puck. They said this is a Prime. I didn't see a picture of it before I bought it. It said it was a Prime. I'm not sure how this is a Prime. It's just a... There's a love magnet. Jersey piece that just has multiple colors. AJ Puck from Stars and Stripes, USA. There's that one. This is an exquisite on-card rookie auto of Jordan Lynch, the former Heisman finalist from Northern Illinois. And that one's cool because it's numbered, if you see on there on the right-hand side, 6/55, which was his college number. So that's pretty. It's like an eBay 101. Picked up this Ronnie Lott autograph from 5 Star. Excuse me. Didn't have a nice certified autograph of Ronnie Lott, most feared defenders of all time. We got a love magnet. Oh man, this is quite a mess. Yeah, I haven't showed that off. Select for 2016, number 21/35, Dan Hampton, who's possibly going to be a new PC player. Haven't 100% decided on it. There goes the Penny Hardaway metal card, so that's luckily that's metal. I got this Trey Turner Panini signature Donruss signatures card, really cheap. Are you fine to leave? Thanks, bud. Gonna have it back. Thank you, sweetie. Before he puts things in the toilet now, so I don't want Penny Hardaway to go there. Not yet. I don't know what's what. This is what I'm working with right now. This is the mess that Mini Mo's created. Usually I have everything nice and neat. Okay. So, boy, this is turning into... Some people like these videos, and I think a lot of them hate them, but you know what? It's enjoyable for me. So, I think that's it. And you know what? If it's not, I'll find out what I haven't showed, and I'll show it... Here, sit down. In the next video. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Hey, I didn't show this. This is from Spectra, Dan Hampton, numbered 11/50. It's got some blue sparkles on it. Really cool. That's all we got for now. I can't take it anymore. That's all we got for now. I want to thank you all for watching. And as always, please, Nemo. Can you say it? There was a bird that just flew over here, so it diverted his attention. That's all we got for now. I want to thank you all for watching. And as always, please, stay safe.